In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star email in Yahoo Mail. If you want a simple way to keep important messages easy to find later, using the star feature in Yahoo Mail is a great option. Starring an email helps you mark messages that you may need to come back to, whether they contain important information, reminders, or conversations you don't want to lose in a crowded inbox. To get started, open your Yahoo Mail account and make sure you're on the main mail view. You can do this from your inbox or from any folder where the message is located. Once your mail is open, look through your list of emails and find the specific message you want to star. When you've found the email, move your mouse over that message. As you hover over the row, Yahoo Mail will reveal several action icons on the right-hand side. These icons let you quickly manage the email without needing to open it first. Among those icons, you'll see the star icon. Go ahead and click the star. As soon as you do, the email will be marked with a visible star on its row. One helpful thing to notice is that the star will remain visible even after you move your mouse away, which lets you quickly confirm that the message has been successfully starred. This is especially useful if you're organizing messages as you go, because you can instantly spot which emails you've already marked as important. It's a fast and efficient way to keep track of priority emails without moving them into a separate folder. You can also verify that the email has been starred by looking at the left-hand panel in Yahoo Mail. There you'll find the starred section. When you click it, Yahoo Mail will show all the messages you've marked with a star, making it much easier to review important emails in one place instead of searching through your inbox or folders. That's all there is to it. Once you know where the star icon appears, the process only takes a second and can make your inbox much easier to manage. If you regularly receive emails you need to follow up on, this is a very handy feature to start using. And that's how to start email in Yahoo Mail.